Hi guys, welcome to TechCatAssist. This is a new channel. It's about Windows guides, functions and tips. I've created this channel because I was getting lots of requests and questions about this, about that in Windows, so I just decided maybe I'm just gonna do the channel on YouTube. So I would appreciate if you could like it and subscribe it. That would be great and will help me that will encourage me actually to do more. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you, I'm going to try to introduce you to PST file, Outlook data file. Some people are asking what's that, what is it used for, and just a quick explanation. PST file is the data file format used by Microsoft Outlook. It stores various items, emails, calendar, events, contacts, tasks, notes, and other data as well. It's essentially a local storage file for Outlook. Sometimes PST is used to archive emails, to migrate emails to other computers. Of course, with the cloud at the moment, storage, PST is not used as it was before when there was no storage. People were copying PST files on the USB to move to another computer, move to another laptop. But it's still in use in case of sharing information, sharing data as well. So I'm going to show you quickly on this video how to create a PST file and how to share it with others using OneDrive. OneDrive is very commonly used cloud storage system at the moment as well. It comes with Microsoft. It's free as well with the basic Live account. Of course, it doesn't give you much storage, but it's still very useful to have it. Um, so in this case, as you can see, I'm here in Outlook. On the left-hand side, I don't have any emails here. This is a test only data file Outlook. So there's no emails, but obviously you're gonna have here plenty of emails in your data. You might have some contacts, calendar events, and other stuff. So in case that you need to share this, for example, if there's a request for a data file to be copied, your emails, I don't know, maybe at work you have been requested to provide some GDPR office requested for you to send some emails, and you want to pack all the emails into one file. So this is where you go. So um, on the left hand side, if you click on File, um, then option Open and Export, Open and Export. Okay, and click on that. Now Import and Export option. Okay, here, click on that. Now here you have a pop-up window. It's exporting import export wizard. Click on export to file. Okay, click on next. Now here you have two options, file types. We are looking to get PST file. So in this case, just go for PST file, select PST file, click on next. Now here, what you can do is you can select a folder that you want to export, only a folder. So for example, if you have an email folder, you've created a folder here that you want to share only the folder, you to backup, you want to create a PST file with only one folder, you can select any folder here, okay? Now I want to export to PST the whole data file, the whole email, whole mailbox with all the information, contacts, calendars, etc., etc. So I'm gonna just select the whole thing on the top, so that will select all the inclusive subfolders. Okay, so I click on next. Now here's the location, okay, where I want to back it up. So I'm gonna click on browse. So I want to back it up, let's say in OneDrive location, where I can then send it to someone else in my organization, or maybe to my colleagues, so they can retrieve the emails by clicking on the link that they receive from OneDrive. So I press on browse, and here I have locations that I can save my PST file. I chose desktop, I create a new folder, and file name is backup1 PST. So you can rename it whatever you want, and then just click on OK. And you have the path, and then just click on Finish. Now here you can set up the password for this file to be required when trying to open it, but I just press on OK. There's no password need for that. Okay, so in this case I need to check if the file has been created, so I go to desktop and I see that there's a new folder here and the PST file is created, and it's uploading to OneDrive, to the cloud, and then I can share it with someone in the cloud by clicking right click on it and then option share. At this stage it's still probably uploading, so I'm just gonna go back and I'm just gonna see if I can share the whole folder, and I can share the whole folder. So I'm just gonna put a random email address to share with, and you can put an email, you can message the person, and then just click send. Okay, so I'm gonna use a test at test.com. Obviously that email doesn't exist, but for this purpose I'm going to use it. The message could be anything as well to the person, and let's just click on send, and the person is going to receive a link that they can download the file and they can open it with Outlook and have an access to all the emails or other data included in the PST file. So that's it. I think I hope that this was very helpful. If you have any questions, any comments, please comment below. Uh, Please subscribe and like our channel. We'll try to add more videos soon. Hopefully you're gonna like it. Okay, thanks guys, take care.